Welcome to the basic track. By the way, this is how we applaud here, and this is our hands-on introduction to the basic track.
I'm Claudia Nicolai, the Academic Director of the HPI D-School, and these are your program leads.
Maria-José.
And I'm Angela. This program offers you an immersive experience into what design thinking really is in theory and in practice. So, what is our definition of design thinking here at the HPI D-School? What would you say, Claudia?
We have been evolving our understanding of design thinking over time. And for us now, it's really about defining design thinking as a life-centered approach to develop purposefully creative, innovative solutions for complex problems that are about to make an impact on the world. And you're going to experience this in our approach as a problem-based experiential learning approach that we're going to share with you. So you're going to work together with others in a diverse team, with our coaches, with our program leads, with also our project partners. And then we're also going to connect amongst each other, amongst teams, to create not only a group, but teams of teams. And besides that project-based approach, we're also going to build into our program reflections, further advancement of how to understand and use design thinking as a concept, and also how to criticize it, and how it connects to other concepts, as for example agility, lean startup, etc. And that's going to be our offer in the virtual world, combined also with hybrid elements.
Thank you, Claudia. And now we're going to talk a little bit about the program. To successfully complete this program, you need to invest 16 hours per week, divided in the following way. 8 synchronous hours. Program days are on Tuesdays and Fridays, from 9:15, where you have time for a virtual coffee with your peers, and we start at 9:30 sharp with the inputs of the day. We end the days at 2:30 by having reflective sessions combining theory and practice. 8 asynchronous hours. You can decide to continue working until later or to meet with your team during non-program days. Every day can be a program day.
So, to summarize, we will be working together Tuesdays and Fridays from 9:15 to 2:30 p.m. as a whole cohort. Then, you can decide with your team if you invest more hours those days or how you will divide your work during the week. This is totally self-organized. Just remember that you will need to invest 16 hours per week in this program. Simple, right?
And as you have noticed by the space we're in, this semester we will have what we'll call a hybrid program. And what do we mean by that, Claudia?
Good question, because we actually have been prototyping our way forward throughout the last 1.5 years by starting with a purely digital format. And now we have been transferring that into a virtual experience that is about to be very interactive, working with your team members, working with your coaches, sharing stuff with other teams. That's going to be done in a digital environment. But later on in the semester, we want to open up in order to give you the opportunity to experience the new normal, put it that way. Hybrid environments where parts of the team might be on site, here for example at the D-School, with a seamless environment of digital and also hardware tools to connect with other team members who are working remotely from different sites, and also with other people you want to integrate into your project work. And we hope that you're going to gain also a great experience of the new normal that is going to be hybrid and maybe even high flex.
You will work in 2 different teams in 2 different projects. Here at D-School, we believe that the best teams are diverse and multidisciplinary, mixing different academic fields and cultural backgrounds, and even different time zones. The first project runs for 4 weeks. Here, you learn the fundamentals of design thinking while trying to solve a design challenge with your team. Every program day, we will go through one phase of the design thinking iterative process, which are these circles which you probably have seen while Googling the word design thinking. By the end of the first project, you will be able to understand and experiment with different user research methods, identify insights, know ideation methods for brainstorming, develop testable prototypes, get into remote collaborative work in multidisciplinary teams.
The second project runs for 8 weeks. In your new team constellation, you will work together with a project partner from the public, private, or social sector, applying the design thinking approach to address one of their challenges. By the end of the partner project, you will be able to run a human-centered project, experience communication with multiple stakeholders in project-based work, learn how to compile your insights and partner project journey for your audience, broaden and deepen your expertise in design thinking at the same time as you learn how to professionally collaborate with a partner organization on eye level.
And this is the program overview. Together we will build a space to explore new perspectives, to grow together.
Experiment and fail gracefully.
With a yes and attitude, an open and curious mind, which will make this a fantastic hybrid semester.
See you there!
See you!